So we're on our way to dinner right now. And me and Dave were talking. He's behind the camera. But we were talking about this year. And I think this year has, like, made people so fucking soft. It is ridiculous. And I think it really just stems from, like, your parents and your upbringing and, like, what you've been told and what's okay. Like, this whole, like, being nice and being always kind thing is, like, really, really just... It's a conversation killer. And it's not that it's bad to be kind. It's that, like, if you do something wrong, I'm not going to tell you that it's okay to do something wrong. I'm going to tell you, hey, this is fucking stupid. Do it right. Like, I'm not going to let you just get across and be a little child. Like, and it also is a big part of our generational gap. Of our generation is the fucking softest generation that has ever lived. Like, so far. And I think it's only going to get worse because our parents and our relatives, they give us handouts and they give us free shit and they pay for us. And, like, it just astonishes me how parents are thinking that they're going to level up their kids by doing shit for free for them. And it's like, that's not how the world works. Like, if I went to my dad and I asked him for money, he would probably tell me to fuck off. Like, you need to stop telling your kids, if you have kids right now, that they can get what they want. It's not how fucking life works. Like, if Dave or Troy or someone that I work with does something bad, like, I'm going to tell them, like, you're a fucking idiot. This is not right. Like, that's not how shit works. And I think it's been my upbringing that I lived in New York, and New Yorkers are not soft, okay? And I know this subject will offend people, but it's okay. Like, if you get offended, like, you can unfollow me. I really don't care. But it's like, we need to stop putting this persona that being kind is the only way to get what we want. Kindness is only good in situations that it makes sense. If you're being kind too much, then people are going to take advantage of you. Like, people are going to tell you, oh, like, it's okay, or this is, oh, you know. When you're kind, people walk over you to get what they want because those people are the ones who always get ahead. And it's not being manipulative. It's like, you have to realize when people are jerking you around, when people are taking advantage of you and putting you in a place where they're being successful and you're being left behind. And it's kind of like, you know, teachers in classrooms where there's lots of rowdy kids, right? There's a lot of rowdy kids and, you know, the teacher's like, oh, can we just, like, not talk? Like, if I was the teacher, I'd be like, yo, shut the fuck up. We have class to do. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. And that the kids will eventually shut up.
Shut up, Skylar. Shut up!
But we try to be nice and we try to let things be calm when realistically we're just writing the whole conversation back to them just taking advantage of you being kind. And in a society that basically depends so much on, like, politics and, like, positioning and like wealth and all these stupid factors, like, no one's gonna save you. Like, no one's gonna fucking save you. Stop being so kind. No one cares, okay? Yes, I'm a very kind person, but, like, if you do something that's stupid, that's putting me at a disadvantage, I'm not gonna be like, it's okay. You know, next time do this. No, I'm gonna be like, hey, you're an idiot. Fix this. And that gets more things done than just being kind the whole time. Like, I'm really just very confused at how people can think that, this guy better let me in, how being kind the whole time is going to get them what they want. And just like that example, I was not going to let that guy cut me off because then I would have been stuck at the light in the middle of the fucking intersection. Like, I'm not going to let people walk over me because that's freedom of expression. I need to get places. And if people are going to get in my way, then I'm going to get pissed. Like, it's just, it's not that I'm mean. Okay, don't get it twisted. I'm a very nice person. I work with a lot of clients who respect me, who will always work with me until the day that they're eventually done. And it's like, but at some extent, like, you gotta put your foot forward on things. Like, you gotta stop letting people walk over you because then you're gonna be pissed and you're gonna blame them. When at the end of the day, it is your fault that you're being too nice. When you speak up, people will respect you more and people will take you more seriously. So the next time you try to do something or manipulate them, they're gonna know that that's not gonna fucking slide.